Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream caramel with Biscuit. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite biscuits, 500 milliliters of whole milk, and 4 fresh eggs. For sweetness, prepare 100 grams of sugar for the caramel and 50 grams for the creamy custard. Don't forget a touch of vanilla extract and a suitable baking dish to bring it all together. Now, let's create that beautiful caramel base. Gently melt 100 grams of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a rich, golden brown. Be careful not to burn it. Once melted, quickly pour the hot caramel into your baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the 500 milliliters of milk, 4 eggs, 50 grams of sugar, and a dash of vanilla extract until well combined for your custard. With your caramel set, it's time to assemble. Neatly arrange your biscuits over the hardened caramel layer in the baking dish. You can break them to fit if needed. Then, very carefully pour the prepared custard mixture over the biscuits, ensuring they are fully submerged. Place your baking dish into a larger tray filled with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 55 minutes, until the custard is set. Once baked, remove your cream caramel from the oven and the water bath. Let it cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to firm up perfectly. When ready to serve, carefully invert the dish onto a serving plate, letting that luscious caramel cascade over the dessert. It's truly a delightful treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic e-reader deal and other exclusive offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.